Okay, so Alexander, you're a truck driver. You drive how many hours at a time?
12 in a shift.
12 hours at a time. That's a really long time sitting, driving down to Florida and back, right?
Yeah.
So what do you notice with your adjustments? What's changing for you?
It's okay. It's no pain.
No pain?
Yeah.
Yeah, where was the pain before?
In the neck.
Yeah, probably from sitting.
Shoulders. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, okay. Here's the adjustment. Slide a little bit forward for me in the chair. A little bit more. Good. Let your right ear drop. Drop your left ear. How's that?
Good.
Okay. Power's on. Back to driving.